2016 question 21. Which of the following molecules have a similar shape? Now for these type of questions, obviously if you have memorized the shapes, that's the best way. You can immediately get the answer. But here or there, I could also give you a few hints here or there. First one, BCl3. Now here, remember I said in one of the previous videos, I mentioned that if you see a 3, usually if there are no lone pair of electrons present, then they will have a trigonal planar shape. And also BCl3, it's actually very similar to BF3. And I said in these type of questions, please remember how to draw BF3, PCl5, and SF6, because in the DSE syllabus, they have explicitly mentioned these 3 molecules that you need to know how their drawings are or their shapes. So it's similar to BF3, and we know for this one, it has a trigonal planar shape. Now, for the other two, NH3 here, it also ends with a 3. And I said usually it will end with, if there's a 3 atoms in the last hydrogen atom, like in this case, then it will have trigonal planar shape. But we need to pay attention and look into account whether there are any lone pair of electrons. If there are lone pair of electrons, then obviously the shape changes. And we know because of nitrogen, ammonia is a very typical example of having a nitrogen would have a lone pair of electron present there. And thus this would have a trigonal pyramidal shape. Now this one for fluorine also, you can see fluorine has 3 atoms. Now you'll think of trigonal planar first, but you need to take into account if there are any lone pair of electrons on phosphorus. Now for this one, obviously if you know about it, actually phosphorus does have lone pair of electrons, and so it will follow a similar structure of ammonia. The shape would be similar, of ammonia, which is trigonal pyramidal as well. So for this, the answer is C.